Imagine your family living in an exclusive community, in a beautiful abode, in a secured and serene address. You are at peace, knowing that your home is built with utmost quality. You belong in a vibrant community. You stay active and fond of family bonding activities. You marvel at open spaces and indulge in resort-like amenities. Primary Homes brings you the life you've been dreaming of. A home in an island paradise with Royal Palms Quattro. In a perfect location where you live right near the world-class destinations of Panglao Island, Bohol, where you get to revel in its white sand beaches anytime.
So this is the Hermosa of Unit of Royal Palms Panglao Tres. So this unit po is 3-bedroom unit, 81 square meter, and typical lot area niya po is 180 square meter. So dito po tayo dito sa labas, and ito po ang kanyang extra lot sa labas that you can make this a provision for your carport po sa taas. So yung canopy style niya po is Spanish style, Mediterranean style po yung kanyang buong style unit. And as you can see po is malaki po ang kanyang space sa living area po natin. Then ito yung pwede po tayong malagay natin ng L-type na sofa sa living room para meron tayong fresh air or maaliwalas tignan, para may natural light coming outside. Meron po tayong big window dyan at dito. At ito po ang kanyang living room. So malaki po ang kanyang space sa living room. Tsaka here po for that is the provision for TV, and that is the dining area, the kitchen area, and we have the 3-bedroom in that area. Ito po is meron po tayong dining area. Ito po yung dining table natin. May dining table tayo, may window tayo na nakaharap sa dining table para may natural light for the dining table kahit walang ilaw. And this is the kitchen area. Yung kitchen po natin is kasali na, yung cabinet po natin is kasali na po siya upon turnover. Itong mga cabinet na color brown. So this is the model unit sa ating dining area. Then you can put here your refrigerator, and we have also sliding window for our kitchen. Here is our kitchen area. Then kung gusto nyo po maglagay ng dirty kitchen is pwede po kasi may extra lot tayo dito. At saka yung dirty kitchen po natin lagay, provision for dirty kitchen is dyan po. Pwede po tayo malagay ng dirty kitchen natin dito sa area na to. So this will be your extra lot. Bedroom po, in between sa tatlong bedroom is meron pa tayong toilet and bath here. Then sa toilet and bath is meron tayong window and toilet natin. And here po is ito po ang kanyang bedroom number 3 na na-convert natin into a living area or extension or private na living area dito. Para siyang confession sa bahay ni Kuya. Then sa living dito sa kuanis meron tayong sliding window. Malaki po ang kanyang sliding window. And itong cabinet na po dyan is kasali na po siya upon turnover. So this is the bedroom number 3. Then dito sa bedroom number 3 is dyan po yung type. Para siyang living area, but pwede po siyang higaan. Tsaka may extension din po na higaan dito. Kung marami kayong bisita is pwede po siyang gawing guest room, kabuang living room. So malaki po siya. Then ito po is pwede po tayong working area dyan, common working area. work from home or kung may mga bata kayo is pwede po siya dito gawa natin ng table. The bedroom number 2. As you can see po, is meron po tayong cabinet here. Kasali na po siya upon turnover itong cabinet na ito. Laki po siyang lagyan ng mga damit. At ito yung meron tayong 2 window. Sliding window po siya. Malaking sliding window. Ito yung bedroom. Actually, malaki talaga yung space. Malaki yung space dito. Dito, malaki yung space. At saka dito, malaki yung space. So, pwede natin lagyan ng table dito sa area na to. Or kahit anong gusto nyo para ma-maximize yung buong area. And here, ito yung master's bedroom po natin. So, master's bedroom po natin is may big window po tayo dyan. So ito po yung sa harap natin na makita. Meron tayong balconette na window here. Mini balconette. Ito pong kanyang window. Mabuksan po siya. Ito yung master's bedroom po natin. Sa master's bedroom po natin, makita po natin na may direct access, may toilet and bath natin sa for exclusive sa master's bedroom po natin. So ito yung queen size na bed natin. Malaki po yung space. Kahit dito is malaki na po yung space natin. Tsaka dyan. So may naglagay tayo ng table dyan for our working area. And the cabinet. Ito, kasali na po siya upon turnover. So this is the Hermoso unit, the master's bedroom. And dito makita nyo po sa master's bedroom is between the master's bedroom is meron po tayong window dyan. And here is our toilet and bath exclusive sa master's bedroom. So hindi na tayo papunta dyan sa common area ng toilet and bath. Dito yung master's bedroom, ito yung toilet niya, ito yung shower area niya, at ito yung...
Imagine your